Hello, Cruiso, Cegin Caribi, Jeff Miller Dwi, Kai Guppy. Dwi Coginio, Edu, burger jerk, meatball jerk, weer sieve, oké, Jaun, weer nice boeid, ben de geddy, nice, Jaun. Cruiso Cegin Caribi, Spiafau, Pigments, crumbs butter, Yonin, jerk marinade, organic. A secret Jamaican jerk marinade, personal jerk marinade I made myself. So ingredients is a lot, you know. Pimento, cinnamon, spring onion, tomato, peppers. Yeah, it's about 14 ingredients. From a very young age, always mounting the Cegin and watching people, you know, pick up tips and yeah, always experiment cooking. I'm trying to introduce that to Camry. When I fell in love with Camry and my missus, you know, here in Kai Guppy. Make a pail and jerk, keg, oil, so roll over, shape here. We gonna need now meatball. Everyone, I'm so Coginio meatball, everyone. Just normal vegetable oil, will do, you know, man. And you cook it for in that per a minute each side. Burger vama, so burger, keg, Edion. So cooking on the grill. Local from the Welsh butcher in town, Mr. Raymond Jones in Kai Guppy. Light coconut oil, vana. If you don't have a burger griddle at home, just use a simple frying pan and get your burger. Just like that. So in the summer, I'll do this outside in the jerk pan, jerk burger on the jerk pan outside in the summer. But summer is, you know, nice, buoyant, you know. But winter time, when you knew it, it's cold inside. I'm from Jamaica, so when it's cold, we don't mess around with outside anymore. So it's inside. Every Jamaican can tell you that. So yeah. Each side, I say, give roughly 4 minutes. 4 minutes each side. But keep watching it. The thicker it is, the more time you have to give it. That's the old pimento seed, like an allspice, berries. That's the secret of jerk. I'm giving away the secret now. So I don't mind. I will share the secret with you. Jamaican then will be not happy, you know. Be my pace with them. But they go. I told them that you know, come rank Jamaican. So the Welsh people will be happy. So I'm happy. Welsh meat, you know, keg, come right, just yeah, thick and nice. Cause my kids them used to go to the Stedford and dance Gwerin when going to school, and it was lovely to go to the Stedford every year. Every year, I always said, "Oh, I want to perform on that Stedford on the stage." But I should practice over my Welsh more. That's what the missus said. Burger Edion jerk. Okay, so we're gonna put them in a nice brioche. Silica mayonnaise. Now the mayonnaise has in my special hot sauce, my special spicy hot sauce. Yeah, it's nice, sweet, and a little bit of kick. Nice, fresh, local lettuce, tomato, nice beef tomatoes, and onion with balsamic vinegar, sugar. So if you want, you can have melted cow's cheese on your burger. Scottian, the jerk beef burger, of course, wouldn't go will go well with a bit of scallion. I'm chopping up some chives in seasoning. Just ordinary coleslaw. I buy red cabbage, white cabbage. I mix it all together with carrot moran. Yeah. Okay, on each plate now. Okay. This one here with the melted cheese is scallion, burger, Coginio, and coleslaw. This plate you have your Coginio, meatballs with a sauce, a tomato sauce, but with a Caribbean twist. That's what everyone wants, flavor, different flavors. So tiny bit of Scotch bonnet on the sauce. So dim spicy, dim both, and just nice. Both just bendigedig, just lovely. And then I got some safe to go with it, some nice juice, natural juice, fresh natural juice. Made hours ago. Yes, so I'm introducing all this to Gatley Cymru, to North Wales, and then hopefully to all of Wales, all of Cymru, yeah? So look out for Cegin Caribi, Jeff Miller, and just Coginio in the Cegin. Bendigedig, Caribbean with a Welsh twist, Welsh produce. It's lovely, yeah? So that's Cegin Caribi, yeah? And Jeff Miller, that's it's a pleasure to just cook Coginio boyd for you. You know, munai, enjoy, enjoy boyd, munai boyd.